2 divided by 4 can be written as 2 over 4. And here we have 8 divided by 16 can be written as 8 over 16. So 2 over 4 divided by 8 over 16. Let's simplify this fraction. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So here we have 1 over 2. And here 8 divided by 8 gives us 1 and 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. So 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 is just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 2 divided by 4 can be written as 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 divided by 8 and again divided by 16. Okay, now we have to do this division. 1 over 2 divided by 8. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And again here we can apply the KCF rule. So change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 8 times 1 over 16. First we do this multiplication. 1 over 2 times 1 over 8. Which equals 1 over 2 times 8 gives us 16. So 1 over 16 times 1 over 16, which equals 1 over 16 times 16 gives us 256. So 1 over 256. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 256.